Namaskar. Now I am telling about the topic our sinful nature. With the blessings of my Pravartak Guru, who is the present Adishta of this true religion. We are born with animalistic ferocious nature because of our greed, jealousy, lusts, anger, sexual desire, laziness, etc. These tendencies remain within us till our death. The practice of the contrary virtuous qualities is the only solution for redemption, which is the controlling process of this animalistic characteristic. Thus we become human. This is the main purpose of this true religion. The qualities are abstract. They cannot be touched, only we can realize it in the heart through our deeds. All the dishonest and sinful activities that happen in the world are caused by lust, anger, greed, alcohol, gluttony, etc. We are born with them and naturally become addicted to them. In the law of creation, there are opposite qualities of them, like sex can be transformed into love, knowledge opposite to anger, righteousness opposite to greed, non-attachment with any kind of narrowing things, etc. We can free from this bindery by practice our good habits. This is called the humanity. The way of life, those bad qualities are the obstacles and always divert us from happiness. Being able to win from that control is the identity of